Hello, I'm Christoph Kiesler from Schrak&Partner, and in the framework of the Interact Northwest Europe BlockStart project, I'm glad to present the free training that my company offers to SMEs interested in the blockchain technology. We are a company that specializes in regulatory affairs and quality management systems with regard to medical devices in Europe. So our trainings focus not on the technology itself, but more on the regulatory requirements that apply if you want to place a medical device on the market in Europe, and software with blockchain technology, for example, might qualify as a medical device. The first training we offer is regulatory basics of medical devices in Europe. And this training covers the basic regulatory requirements that apply, starting with the question, what is a medical device in Europe? What qualifies as a medical device? How do I perform the necessary qualification to identify the proper conformity assessment procedure? And how do I continue to perform the conformity assessment procedure to document the required technical documentation and to build up the necessary quality management system that is needed to place a device on the market in Europe? So this is training that deals with the regulatory basics for medical devices and explains a little bit on how to proceed here.